Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, A-Clever. See, this is 12th standard maths, CBSE, chapter 5, differential calculus, exercise 5.4. Differentiate the following questions with respect to x. With respect to x, we are doing differentiate the following questions with respect to x. First, we will take it as y equal to e power x by sin x. Y equal to e power x by sin x. Both numerator and denominator you have x values. See, both numerator and denominator you have x values. We can apply the quotient rule. What is the formula for quotient rule? D by dx of u by v. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of u by v equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. V u dash minus u v dash by v square. So you can take it as this as u and this as v. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate y with respect to x. Y become dy by dx. Y become dy by dx. V square sin x the whole square. V square is nothing but what? Sin x the whole square. Sin x into d by dx of differentiation of d by dx of what is the u value? E by e power x. U value is e power x minus u is e power x. U is e power x. D by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x. So sin x into differentiation of e power x with respect to x. You are getting the value e power x minus e power x into differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x is nothing but what? Cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x by sin x the whole square. Sin x the whole square is nothing but sin square x. Sin x the whole square is nothing but sin square x. So dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to e power x. You can take it as commonly out. It is a common value. You can take it as commonly out. E power x into sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x by e power x into sin x minus cos x by sin square x. Sin square x. Sin x minus cos x by sin square x. See here, second sum e power sin inverse of x. You can take it as y equal to e power sin inverse of x. See, two terms of there. One is e power x, then sin inverse of x. So successive differentiation. First you have to look over for e power x. E power x, differentiation of e power x. You consider the sin inverse of x as x. Okay, so differentiate with respect to x. Y become dy by dx equal to psi e power x. E power x is e power x. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. What is the differentiation of sin inverse of x? Sin inverse of x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So dy by dx equal to e power sin inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square. See the third sum, e power x cube. The same way you can proceed. E power x. E power x differentiation is e power x. But here in the place of x, x cube is there. So again you have to differentiate. That is successive differentiation. You can take it as y equal to e power x cube. Y equal to e power x cube. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y become dy by dx. Y become dy by dx equal to e power x cube. e power x, you consider this x cube as x. So e power x differentiation is e power x. E power x. So this part is over. Then you move on to x cube. What is the differentiation of x cube? 3x square, n into x power n into x power n minus 1, 3x square. So 3x square into e power x cube, 3x square into e power x cube, because in the place of x, x cube is there. So e power x cube. So differentiation of x cube is what? 3x square. So 3x square into e power x cube. See the fourth sum, y equal to sine of tan inverse of e power minus x. See, sine of x, you can split the term, sine of x, then tan inverse of e power minus x, then if it is e power x, we have no problem, but here e power minus x, again you have to differentiate that minus x. So 3 differentiation, successive differentiation. See here, differentiate with respect to x. You don't use a chain rule, you can straight away differentiate. Y become dy by dx equal to sine of the total term, you can take it as x. What is the differentiation of sine x? Cos x. So cos of x value is tan inverse of e power minus x. So this part is over, that is, this part is over. Next we move on to tan inverse of e power minus x. What is the value of tan inverse, differentiation of tan inverse of x? 1 by 1 plus x square. In the place of x, what is the value here? E power minus x, e power minus x the whole square, e power minus x the whole square. So e power minus x the whole square. So this part is over. Then we move on to this differentiation, e power minus x. E power minus x differentiation is e power minus x. Then you look over for minus x. What is the differentiation of minus x? Minus x is minus 1. So 4 differentiation, sine of x, tan inverse of x, e power minus x, then minus x. Sine of x is cos of x. Then tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. In the place of x, e power minus x is there. Then differentiation of e power x is e power x. But in the place of x, minus x is there. Again you have to differentiate minus x. So it gives minus cos of tan inverse of e power minus x into e power minus x by e power minus x by a power m whole power n is a power mn. A power m whole power n equal to a power mn. We can use that property. 1 plus e power minus 2x. 1 plus e power minus 2x dy by dx equal to minus cos of tan inverse of e power minus x into e power minus x by 1 plus e power minus 2x. Then we move on to the fifth sum. Fifth sum you can take it as y equal to log of cos of e power x. 3 differentiation, log of x, then cos of x, then e power x. Log of the total value is x, cos of the next value is x, then e power x. So differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to log of x. What is the formula? 1 by cos of e power x. Because the total term is x. What is that part is over, log x part is over. Cos of is nothing but what? Minus sine of e power x. Differentiation of sine cos x is minus sine x, but in the place of x you replace by e power x. So minus sine of e power x. Then you move on to the third part, e power x. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Sin by cos is nothing but what? Tan. So minus e power x tan of e power x, minus e power x tan of e power x. Next you move on to the sixth sum. You can take it as y equal to e power x square, e power x cube, e power x power 4, e power x power 5. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y become dy by dx. Y become dy by dx. E power x differentiation is e power x plus e power x square. See, in the place of x, x square is there. So you have to differentiate again that x square. So e power x square is e power x square. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. N into x power n minus 1. 2x. The same way e power x cube. E power x cube is e power x cube. Differentiation of x cube is what? 3x square. N into x power n minus 1. Plus e power x power 4 is x power 4. Again differentiate that x power 4 is what? 4x cube. 4x cube. E power x power 5. E power x power 5 is e power x power 5. Again differentiation of x power 5 is what? 5x power 4. So it gives dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to e power x plus 2x e power x square plus 3x square e power x cube plus 4x cube. 4x cube e power x power 4 plus 5x power 4. 5x power 4 e power x power 5. E power x power 5. See, you can take it as y equal to e power x power 1 by 2. That root is nothing but what? 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. This root is whole power 1 by 2. E x power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. So see here. First you have to concentrate on power. You can apply the x power n formula. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y become dy by dx equal to n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. The power part is over. Then we move on to e power x. So what is e power x differentiation? E power x. But in the place of x, what is the value of there? X power 1 by 2. So again you have to differentiate x power 1 by 2. So n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. See here, first power n into x power n minus 1. Then you look over for e power x. E power x is e power x power 1 by 2. Then again you differentiate x power 1 by 2 is n into x power n minus 1. So 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. E power x power 1 by 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. You can take the LCM as 2 minus 1 by 2 into e power x power 1 by 2. E power x power 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2. X power minus 1 by 2. See, this is also power minus 1 by 2. This is also power minus 1 by 2. So you can take it as 1 by 2 into x into e power x power 1 by 2 the whole power minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. See, dy by dx equal to this is also power 1 by 2, this is also power 1 by 2. So you club this value, it gives x e power x power 1 by 2 the whole power minus 1 by 2 e power x power 1 by 2 the whole power minus 1 by 2 into e power this value into e power x power 1 by 2 e power x power 1 by 2. See, the power is in negative. So, you can bring it to the denominator. Dy by dx equal to e power x power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 by x into e power x power 1 by 2 the whole power 1 by 2 the whole power 1 by 2. So, dy by dx equal to x power 1 by 2 is nothing but root x e power root x by e power root x by root of, because 1 by 2, root of x e power root x e power root x by root of x e power root x. See, 1 by 4 is there. So, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into e power root x by 4 into root of a power root x, because here 1 by 4 is there. So, 1 by 4 we can multiply that value. So, 1 by 4 into x into 1 by 4 into root of x e power root x. We move on to the 8th sum. Can take it as y equal to log of log x. First, log of x. X value is what? Log x. So, differentiate with respect to x. Y become dy by dx equal to 1 by, in the place of x, what is the value? Log x. In the place of x, what is the value? Log x. So, this part is over. So, you have to differentiate log x. Differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So, 1 by x log x. Dy by dx is 1 by x log x. See, x is greater than 1 because the log x, log 1 equal to 0, because x cannot, log cannot take the negative value. So, we can take it as the greater than value only. We can take only the positive values. We cannot take 0 also, because log 0 is minus infinity. So, we can apply x greater than 1. See, you can take it as y equal to cos x by log x, cos x by log x. We can apply the quotient rule, because both the numerator and denominator you have x values. So, you can apply the quotient rule, u by v formula, that is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. So, differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, y become dy by dx equal to v square. V square is what? Log x the whole square. V square is log x the whole square. V log x d by dx of differentiation of u is nothing but what? Cos x minus u. U is cos x. U is cos x d by dx of log x, d by dx of log x. So, see here, dy by dx, dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to log x the whole square, dy by dx equal to log x the whole square, log x into differentiation of cos x is nothing but what? Minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x minus cos x into, minus cos x into differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So, minus sin x log x minus sin x log x minus cos x by x minus cos x by x by log x the whole square by log x the whole square. You can take it as minus commonly out and x as the LCM. See, you can take it as dy by dx equal to you can take it as x as the LCM. So, minus also you can take it out, x as the LCM, x sin x into log x sin x log x plus cos x, x sin x log x plus cos x by, you bring the x value to the denominator, x log x the whole square, x log x the whole square. So, dy by dx equal to minus of x sin x log x plus cos x by x log x the whole square. X is greater than 0, because if x is less than 0, x is greater than 0. If x takes the value 0 means it become infinity, and x less than 0 also log x is there. So, log x we have to take the negative value. So, x is greater than 0. See the 10th sum, y equal to cos of log x plus e power x. Cos of x, in the place of x value is log x plus e power x, then you have to differentiate log x plus e power x also. So, differentiate with respect to x, y become dy by dx, you can consider this total term as x. What is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. So, minus sin of log x plus e power x, then this part is over, then see here log x plus e power x, log x differentiation is 1 by x, e power x differentiation is e power x, so minus sin of log x plus e power x, can take the LCM, 1 plus x e power x by x, 1 plus x e power x by x. So, it gives dy by dx equal to 1 plus x e power x into minus sin of, or minus you can take it here, minus of 1 plus x e power x into sin of log x plus e power x, sin of log x plus e power x by x, sin of log x plus e power x by x. So, dy by dx equal to minus of 1 plus x e power x sin of log x plus e power x by x. I hope you understood, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.